there, let's walk through how to update an attainment from within the Attainments tab. First of all, we're going to click on the eye icon of the attainment you would like to update. Then, under the Attainments details, click on the pencil and update the information that you've got now available. For today, I'm going to just update the date. You'll notice that a new end date has populated. That's because when the skill was set up, a default review period was also entered. Now if we click save, that's all updated. It's that simple. But maybe you would like to also attach a copy of the latest updated attainment. To do that, you can simply add, or you can drop and drag. If you've made a mistake, simply click the bin button if you need to download. Use this icon here, and if you want to view it, do so with the eyeball. And another handy feature is our external systems links. Generally, if you have to update something in one system, you've got to update it in another. So the beauty of this is that you can put a link to this external system associated with this attainment right here for easy access. And just like that, your attainment is now up to date and also has a link to an external system to help you out in the future. Your records are all sorted and you are keeping things current.